Oh, Reef Finance holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Reef Finance latest update. What's going on in the Reef? What's the current price of Reef? What will be the next price of the Reef Finance? You know what? A lot of people also ask me this type of question: that when will the price of Reef Finance increase, my friends? So in this video, we are going to discuss. Keep watch this video complete. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. At this time, I finished the latest price of the Reef Finance in the market is 0.013052 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Reef Finance. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occurring in the Reef Finance is negative. Completely the price of Reef Finance is fast down. We can't say about the future of Reef Finance, but my technical analysis, my personal research about Reef Finance tell us that after 4-5 days falls, there is a possibility that the price will pump and you will get profit, my friends. That's my personal opinion. We can't see about the future, my friends. That's only I share my personal prediction, my personal opinion with all of you, my friends. Anyways, what you think about the Reef Finance future? Just tell me your prediction, just tell me your opinion in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.